In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create goals in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can set up clear, trackable goals for yourself or your team. Goals in ClickUp help you define what success looks like, keep everyone aligned, and measure progress in one place. All you need is access to your workspace, and if you're planning to create team-wide goals, you'll also need the right permissions. First, open ClickUp in your browser and sign into the workspace where you want the goal to live. If you're part of multiple workspaces, double-check that you're in the correct one before you continue. This ensures your new goal appears for the right group of people and that you can easily link related tasks later on. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar and click the More icon. Depending on your layout or screen size, this might look like 3 dots or a section labeled More. If you already see a Goals option in your sidebar, great, this icon simply expands the full menu so you can access it. If you don't see it at first, try hovering over the sidebar to reveal hidden labels. Now, click Goals. This opens the dedicated Goals area where you can view any existing goals and create new ones. Think of this as your Goals dashboard. It's where you'll come back to review progress and make adjustments. If your team hasn't used goals before, this space might be empty, which is totally fine. You're about to add your first one. In the Goals area, click Set a Goal. This is the button that starts the creation process. It's usually near the top of the page and is easy to spot. If your window is narrow, you may see a Condense button or a plus icon. Click that to start the same flow. You'll be taken to a simple form where you define the key details of your goal. Give your goal a clear, action-oriented name, then save. Short, specific titles like Launch Q3, Campaign, or Reduce Support Response Time work best. If your role includes ownership or admin permissions, you'll also see options to apply this goal to a team so it's shared and visible to everyone who needs it. Before you finalize, it helps to confirm visibility and time frame if those options are available in your plan. After saving, your new goal appears in the Goals area, ready for you to track progress and keep your work aligned. That's it. You've created a goal in ClickUp.